Today we're going to meet snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodilians in this room. So these guys are named based on what they eat. They're called corn snakes because they eat a lot of mice. That's correct. What do you think would be better than holding two snakes? Should we give her a third one?
I love reptiles.
Oh, good. We chose the right one. If we were all bearded dragons, how many of your dads would have a beard? Every single one would have a beard. If we were bearded dragons, what would all of our mothers have? Also a beard. I don't like to take off skin if it's stuck on there, but sometimes the skin just starts breaking off. There we go. Some for you. Some for you. Right now we're looking at two life stages of the same species. So the adult size, to give you an idea, is potentially over 200 pounds. So imagine 5 or 6 or 8 of these things. You ready for the last reptile family? What is the last reptile family? Who remembers? Good job for remembering crocodilians. Crocodilians is that whole family for gators and crocs. Everyone say hello to Guapo. Where you find anacondas, the world's heaviest snake, you also find the world's heaviest rodent. It's a rodent that can weigh over 100 pounds. Now imagine for a second, what if we had 100-pound rats running around Pennsylvania like they have in Venezuela? Do you think we would appreciate some giant snakes at that point? So remember guys, every animal on earth has an important job, no matter how big or how small. Thank you guys for giving reptiles a chance today. Thank you for supporting the work we do at Forgotten Friend Reptile Sanctuary.